Wouldn't it be great to be filled with a church of people that are living lightweight? Huh? Coming in with a little step. Dee-dee-boo. Yeah. Look, maybe it wasn't the best week, but I know my God can. I know my God will. My God already has. God's for me, not against me, man. Who can stand against me? Come on. I know my God. I know who I am so upset with people who, I'm mad at God. I'm mad at God. And the thing is, they're mad at God because life's not going the way they want it. And the truth is, they haven't put anything even into it.